After login to GCFX, click Collect Money on the left menu bar. We currently support 5 currencies, including EUR, HKD, JPY, SGD, and USD. Enter your collection amount and currency, then click Confirm. Add a new pair or select an existing registered pair. Select the expiry date and advise the purpose of the transaction from the drop-down menu. Then, please upload relevant supporting document regarding the transaction, such as a trade invoice. Under the description part, you may input any message within 50 characters for the pair and your own reference. Review the payment link details and click Confirm. The payment link is generated successfully. You may copy the payment link and share it with your pair. You will also receive an email with the payment link and QR code to access the link, which you may simply forward the email to the pair for his handling.